Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about the part 41 of GK and GS one-liner questions which are very useful for all competitive examinations. As you can see, I had already discussed up to 40. I request you guys to check playlist which are very useful for all competitive exams. As the first question is, the cement factories are largely concentrated in the western and southern region of India because the high grade limestone and gypsum are abundantly found in these regions. This is one thing. In India, western side as well as southern side, we have the maximum cement factories because the abundant limestone and gypsum are available in these places. That is the reason we don't find in the eastern as well as northern side maximum. The fold mountains are formed as a result of horizontal compressional forces. As you can see, we knew that Himalayan mountains are one type of folded mountains. This is formed due to the result of horizontal compressional forces. You can see to the right side how exactly they are formed. Next we have the jet aeroplanes prefer to fly above tropopause. Please remember we have troposphere and tropopause. These aeroplanes pass over the tropopause because there is a freedom from bumpy air pockets. We will find just over the clouds because in the clouds the airplane gets disturbed. You will have the turbulence, so just the clouds are just below the tropopause line. The following was sent Ashoka to Sri Lanka to preach Buddhism. We knew that after the advice of Upagupta, the Ashoka has adopted the Buddhism and he had spread the Buddhism by the son Mahendra. He had sent son to the Sri Lanka. The Harshavardhana was defeated by Pulakesin II. We knew that Harshavardhana, he was the main king in the northern India. He was defeated Pulakesin II. Please go through how exactly Harshavardhana had ruled in my playlist. You will find that. The 10th schedule of the Constitution of India relates to what? That is anti-defection law. This states the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. That is anti-defection law. Next we have the Boston Tea Party that took place in 1773. As you can see to the right side, on the 16th December 1773, the Boston Tea Party had taken place. In the American War of Independence, the leader who was put in command of American forces was George Washington. He was the first person to become the president of America. As we can see, the American War of Independence, so the leader was put in command for the American forces was George Washington. On his name, the Washington DC had been formed. The Planning Commission, we knew that whatever the Planning Commission we have, this is one type of advisory body. During the period of Renaissance, new styles of architecture first developed in which place? That was developed in the Italy. So during the time of Renaissance, the new style of architecture was developed in the Italy. I request you guys check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join on Defense ICTA where it can be very useful for all competitive exams. I request you guys to go through playlist. You will find in a segregated manner for various examination purpose. Now we have the Kuki National Army. This is one thing you have to remember. Kuki National Army is an insurgent group in which place? That is in Manipur district. You will find this type of National Army, that is Kuki National Army in Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. The Dabhol power plant, which is located in which place? As you can see to the right side, how exactly Dabhol power plant looks like. It is located in Maharashtra. The Muzahir of Pakistan are Muslim migrant from India. We knew that whoever had migrated from India to Pakistan, they are known as Muzahirs of Pakistan. 90% of malarial cases occur in Africa. In Africa, we have maximum plants. Due to maximum greenery over there, the maximum mosquitoes occurs during that places. Due to that, 90% of malaria you will find in African region. What is the capital of Harshavardhana? Harshavardhana's capital was Kannauj. So please remember, he was the northern part. He had ruled a lot, and he was made Kannauj as the capital for his empire. The Mughal ruler who was remained in captivity by his own son. Please remember, Shah Jahan was the king who was captivated by his own son. Though he had built a great Taj Mahal at the olden days, he was very sad, and he was even captured by his son, and he was died in a great disaster. The Sikh Guru was tortured and killed on the direction of Aurangzeb. Please remember, Tej Bahadur was the Sikh Guru who had been killed by the King Aurangzeb. He was from Mughal Emperor. The Harijan Sevak Sangh was organized by Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi had formulated Harijan Sevak Sangh. The basic foundation of Gandhian thought, that is, the freedom of the individual, was the basic foundation of Gandhian thought. Next we have the tropical deserts are the results: high average annual temperature and low rainfall. This is one thing. The tropical deserts, they are the results of high average annual temperature and low rainfall occurs in this region. The line on the map joining places of equal monthly or yearly rainfall, those lines are known as isoheights, from where you will find the equal rainfall during the month or the year. The optimum population describes the both population and production remain constant. When there is a equal or constant population as well as production is constant, that is known as optimum population. In India, a tax on agriculture incomes can be levied by only the state government. This is one thing, guys, you have to remember. The tax on agriculture income can be levied, that is levied or freed by the only state government. It is possible. So that can be decided by the state government. As we are aware that in Andhra Pradesh, the government of Andhra Pradesh, that is state government, Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy had took the decision. Various forms of this agricultural income tax have been levied. Here you can see to the right side how exactly isoheight line joining points of equal rainfall magnitude. Next we have the fundamental duties of Indian Constitution. They were added as per the 42nd Amendment. So as per this 42nd Amendment, the fundamental duties of Indian Constitution were added. What exactly the fundamental rights we have and fundamental duties we have, you have to remember each and everything. Under the Article 352, the President rule is imposed during the time of emergency. So please remember, Article 352 states the emergency in our India, and during that time presidential rule will be in progress. All the proteins are made of what? They are made of amino acids. So these amino acids are made up of a group of proteins. So all the proteins are made up of amino acids. A light sensitive compound is used in photography. We knew that. To clean the photographs, we use the silver bromide. So that is one thing. Light sensitive compound that is used in the photography is silver bromide, that is AgBr. You can see to the right side how exactly amino acids make protein. These amino acids directly form polypeptide chain. This is one thing, and the ribosome bonds the amino acids and they fold into a correctly shaped protein. Next we have, when a constant force is applied to a body, it moves with the uniform acceleration. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. When you apply the constant force over a body, it moves with a uniform acceleration. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Please remember, whatever the penicillin, it is one type of antibiotic which was discovered by whom? That was discovered by Alexander Fleming. The cattle bone powder, which is used as fertilizer, as it is rich in phosphorus. Please remember, you can to the right side, what is cattle bone powder? It consists of uses and benefits of bone meal. This is one thing which is used as a fertilizer, as it is rich in phosphorus. It has got maximum content of phosphorus in this cattle bone powder. India owes its political integration to the genius of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We knew that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had been called as Iron Man of India or Bismarck of India. Here India owes its political integration to the genius of, that is, integration has been made by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I request you guys to call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS for free. Have a good day, guys.